Guess it's best to get this out in the open.
Hey guys, welcome back today. Say hi, Kay.
Hi.
Today we're gonna be building this house. She's gonna be building it, and I got the ingredient thing right here. She got every. Kaylee, young lady.
What?
Look.
What?
What? Okay, you getting it everywhere.
Hey.
Look.
Hey, Mama.
See, look. This is how it goes. Like this. Look at that. You just make your way around. I'm sorry, Casey. You can't even see. I'm going to just trace over this snowman. Luckily, we got the right one because we did this a couple of times.
Yeah, we did this 2 times. Now,
because you had to build it. You remember you built it?
Uh-huh.
And then,
now this is our last chance to
because
do
it's
this.
already built, right?
Yes.
Mommy wasn't listening.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Because I was supposed to get the one that was already built.
Yeah, the dog don't even listen. Evie is really mad. Our dog really mad.
So where's your Santa Claus gonna be at?
Oh, okay.
Who is Evie?
Our dog.
That was our dog?
Uh-huh.
What about our dog?
Wish I put it.
Okay.
Mama, look.
Are you really that? Why are you eating it? You eating all of them, okay?
Sorry.
No. Sorry.
It's okay.
Why is you making me laugh? This is what we're gonna do. Look, put this right here. So we're just doing these while the kids are at school because she really wanted to do this. So I was like, okay. And put the buttons on there. Look at how this is right here. Look, put that on there like that. Go ahead and put the other one on there.
Pink.
Yeah. How many buttons you're gonna put on?
3.
You're gonna put 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put your buttons on.
Guys, I'm gonna put these.
What are they? What is that?
Balls.
Gumballs? How many gumballs are there?
3.
There are 3 gumballs or 4?
3.
Okay.
Mama.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna be doing these and we doing the snowman first.
Yeah. And then what?
And then we're gonna get a cat too.
We're gonna get a cat?
Yeah.
You like cats?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
What color is the cat gonna be?
Pink.
Pink? So we're gonna dye the cat too?
Uh-huh.
That sounds cool, okay.
We gotta make the eyes.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Eyes.
Okay, make your eyes. Okay, don't put that much. You're eating it too?
Oh yeah, you baby eye. You snowman baby. You smile. That's a smile.
Okay.
Oops.
I'm gonna do the windows. You do the snowman.
I did.
Okay.
A baby snow. Guys, these are baby snowmen. Right, guys? Oh, look at them.
Cool. You got eyes. How cool is that, Kay?
And now in the back, and
You gonna do the back?
this is me. And then here's you.
Who's
Mom.
that? This is you.
Mm-hmm.
This is Eli, and this is Ian. So we have 3 extra gingerbread houses. I was gonna do them with the kids. Well, I'm still gonna do 3 gingerbread houses for the kids. And she just wanted to do one, so she's doing mine's.
Yeah.
So we're still gonna get to do hers. She just wants to do this. So I'm just
But
giving her
I
some.
actually do it. Like, yeah. I do it all the time.
What?
Now this is our last chance to do this.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's gonna be our last chance.
Sure, yeah.
Why would it be our last chance?
Because we're doing the gingerbread. It's
Oh.
our last family chance.
Why? Why would it be that?
Because we're doing the gingerbread.
Really?
Yeah. We need to.
Okay.
Oops, gotta spread that.
This is the door that Santa Claus is gonna go in, right here on the side.
Yes. And this? I made 3.
You better watch out. You better watch out.
Wow. Wow. Cool. Cool house, right, Mama?
Yeah. That's okay. Get another one.
You can get some
No,
gumballs.
get this.
Look.
You got the big ones? The big ones can go up here too. You ate them all, okay.
Okay. Boop. Oops.
Okay. This is her monkey. She does not want to get rid of it. She had this when she was a newborn.
Hi.
She carries that all around with her.
Only made
Is
this.
it the gated fence?
Yeah, that's the fence.
What kind of gated fence? Is it a really nice gated fence?
Nice. Really good.
The black one? Okay, you're eating them up. Hey, you're eating the Why are you eating the candy up?
I didn't know that. Hey.
What? Yeah, what color is that?
Orange.
High five. Okay, you eating it up.
Oh, I better spread it. And then it'll be the orange.
Where are you gonna put your trees at in front of the house?
Here's the eyes, Mama.
Yeah. This is the front where Santa Claus is gonna come in at. And that's the back, right?
Yeah, and the gingerbread in here.
Yeah. Can I
Yeah.
see? Thank you.
Look,
You're so nice, Kay.
you do.
Mommy's gonna put this in the front so you can have some trees out in the front. Is these good, Kay?
Uh-huh.
What do these Christmas trees taste like?
Strawberry.
Strawberries? Or it tastes like watermelon?
Strawberry.
Are you eating the other one?
Decorating down the house. Decorating down the house. Down.
You're decorating down the house?
Uh-huh.
Put your bunk up. Show them your house. Where's Santa Claus coming in at? Is he coming in on the window or are he coming in at the door?
The door.
Where is that? Where? Kaylee. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys back in another video. Kaylee.
Make sure you click on our videos.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the next video.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
Wash my hands.